where do I think XRP is going in 2025 since it already pumped?
I sold all XRP.
So you missed the Trump coin and Melania's coin in one weekend.
Oh, here we go.
What is Dogecoin?
Well, it actually started as a joke based on an internet meme.
Which is true.
Right, cool. So what is Dogecoin?
Do you intend to continue selling products that benefit yourself personally while you're president?
My man Trump.
A gold bar through an airport. They won't let you through, right?
My other main man, Michael Saylor. You're going to be doing some reactions to some videos. I'm Matthew Fraser, and this is Crypto Collective. After making millions with Amazon and e-commerce, I realized that if I was starting again today, crypto would be my first choice. I'm here to help you take your first steps and build real wealth. Ready to set yourself up for life? Let's go. Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Collective. My name is Matthew Fraser, and in today's episode, we're going to be doing some reactions to some videos. Let's check it out.
Okay, so where do I think XRP is going in 2025 since it already pumped? So some of my targets that I thought it was
I
gonna
sold all
pump in
XRP.
2025. It did it to $2, almost $3, and I think it's going to go higher. I do believe XRP can get as high as 20 bucks, maybe $24 in this next bull run.
Look guys, I sold all of my XRP only about 12 months ago. XRP has been floundering along for so long, and I know some of you guys out there are massive into the XRP coin and you've held on for so long, and in recent times you've come through. The price has pumped, so good on you. I'm the only one holding sad bags. Obviously this guy's saying that XRP is still going to pump all the way to $24 possibly. You could be in it, you could see some big gains, but it does come, in my opinion, with a lot of risk. The least riskiest thing you could do right now is invest in Bitcoin.
So you missed the Trump coin and Melania's coin in one weekend. And I'm sitting here wondering, how do you miss both? Because I posted Trump's coin at $2.40 a token on my story. In total, that was like a 10x trade for us because we were monitoring price movements, and on BullX, we're able to get in, get out very fast, right? Okay. However, admittedly, I missed a 37x, but we don't like to get greedy. If you missed Trump's coin, which I can understand, it happened suddenly and it was a Friday night, how do you miss Melania's coin 24 hours later? So this is a lesson, a very important lesson.
Well, listen up.
Crypto's a 24/7 game. This is not the stock market. You got to monitor Twitter, alerts on. You got to have alerts for like 50 different accounts. Right now, my phone's always buzzing. I know what's popping any given moment. That's what it takes to win in this game. There's no such thing as easy money. I'm literally at my desk all day. I told my girlfriend, I was like, listen, I got to lock in. This is the bull market.
What this guy's saying is true. The crypto space is 24/7, unlike traditional markets, which is basically 9 to 5, Monday to Friday. So things can happen so fast. For me personally, I didn't buy into the Trump coin. I didn't buy into the Melania coin. For me, it was too risky, and it was really just a way to support Trump if that's what you wanted to do. It wasn't a way, in my opinion, to go and make money. Now, a lot of people came to me and said, Matthew, have you bought the Trump coin? And of course I didn't. My main focus is not for short-term pump, it's for long-term gains. And the only way is Bitcoin. Oh, here we go. My man Trump.
The other day, do you intend to continue selling products that benefit yourself personally while you're president?
Well, I don't know if it benefited. I don't know where it is. I don't know much about it other than I launched it. I heard it was very successful. I haven't checked it. Where is it today?
Hey, you made a lot of money, sir.
How much?
Several $1 billion, it seems like, in the last several days.
Pocket change.
Several billion? That's peanuts for these guys.
Exactly. That was going to be my exact response. Sir, you made several billions of dollars. What's that? Just pocket change for me. Who cares about that? I love Trump. I love what he's doing. He's going to be massive for the crypto space, and he's already doing incredible things, including repealing SARB 121 and building a digital asset stockpile. This is going to be massive, not just for Bitcoin, but the entire crypto space, not just for 2025 either, all the way into the future. Look, the meme coin industry within crypto is very interesting. Now, when Trump put out the Trump and Melania coin, it specifically said, this is not a money-making exercise. This is not for investment purposes, but it is a way for anyone to support Trump, right? Now, this is opened up the doorways for any type of celebrity. It could be Michael Jordan. It could be for big companies like Nike. they could put out their own meme coin, not as something to invest in to make money, but simply for you to buy because you want to support the team or the company. The main man, Michael Saylor.
A gold bar through an airport, they won't let you through, right? In fact, if you tried to carry $100,000 of gold through an airport, not only would you not get through, but the assumption would be you're a criminal, you stole the gold, and they would just take it and keep it without a court order. Now, try to carry $100,000 of cash through the airport. You can put it in a bag, and as you're walking through the TSA check, or just nonchalantly say to the officer, yeah, I'm carrying $100,000 of money onto the airplane, right? You won't get through. Now, not only will you not get through, they'll just take your money, and the assumption will be you stole it. On the other hand, Bitcoin is the one network you can't control. You know, Ted Cruz's famous line is, I like Bitcoin for the same reason the Chinese don't like it. They can't control it.
Wow, there's so much to take out of what Michael Saylor just said. In particular, I mean, not only can you just you wouldn't be able to take $100,000 of cash on a plane, you couldn't even get out $1,000 barely out of a bank these days. When you go to the bank to get out cash, you've got to go through a list of 1,000 questions as to what are you doing with your own money. It's outrageous. It's an overreach from the banks, and it really must stop. That's why Bitcoin is so powerful. I don't have to ask anybody. I can send it wherever I want to, and it is generational wealth creation. Think about that.
The insider who bought $1 million worth of Trump coin less than a minute after it launched has now completely cashed out. That person has now made $300 million in profit. They sold their entire stake in Trump coin right when it hit Robinhood. Even Coinbase is planning to list the Trump coin. So this is just a reminder that you shouldn't buy all the random coins you see on Robinhood, Coinbase, or any other exchange. And that's because their main goal is to make money off of you through trading fees. They don't actually care about the coins that they list.
Wow. Well, I'm going to just say congratulations to the guy who just made $300 million trading the Trump coin. I wish that was me, but personally, I didn't buy into the Trump coin, nor did I buy into the Molina coin. I'm saving my money for generational wealth, which is Bitcoin. So what's interesting about this video is in relation to the Trump coin, so many people were calling me saying that they wanted to buy into the Trump coin, or they did buy into the Trump coin. And I said, I didn't buy into the Trump coin for this exact reason. Someone who made $300 million, that was good for them, but it was bad for so many other people because they have now lost $300 million, right? That money doesn't come from somewhere. It comes from you, and you're the one making this guy rich. Guys, it seems simple that this guy just put $1 million in and pulled $300 million out. But I'm telling you, it's not that simple. If you're a newbie when it comes to the crypto space, that is enticing. But I can guarantee you, you would have been the one who was helping this guy make $300 million. It's not that simple. You would have lost all your money. Hey, just quickly, if you're ready to dive deeper into crypto and Bitcoin and build real wealth, join my free crypto collective community. It's where I share exclusive insights and strategies and live discussions to help you succeed. Whether you're a beginner or scaling your portfolio, click on the link in the description and join us today. Now back to the episode.
What is Dogecoin?
Well, it actually started as a joke based on an internet meme.
Which is true.
But now it's taken off in a very real way.
Okay, but what is Dogecoin?
Well, it was created in 2013 and has a circulating supply of 117 billion coins, of which 113 billion have already been mined.
Right, cool. So what is Dogecoin?
Yeah, like I said, it's a digital currency.
Like, okay, for
It's a
instance,
dog coin. It's a joke.
This is a dollar.
People
right?
buy money. People buy
Real.
into it.
Sort of.
Yeah,
Sort of
okay.
real. Yeah.
So what is Dogecoin?
Come on, Elon, give it
About
to
as real
us.
as that dollar.
Now, Colin, are you making any sense of this?
Me? Well, I've actually been reading a lot about it, yeah, and I'm trying to diversify my investment portfolio.
Into
My
Dogecoin.
question is, what is Dogecoin?
I'm glad you asked.
It's a good question.
Well, it's the future of currency. It's an unstoppable financial vehicle that's going to take over the world.
I get that, but what is it, man?
I keep telling you, it's a cryptocurrency you can trade for conventional money.
Dogecoin is a meme coin. But what is a meme coin? A meme coin is something that's really built on a community around a particular type of narrative or figure or picture or anything like that. In this case, Dogecoin was a dog. It's like with the Trump coin, it's Trump. For example, Michael Jordan could create his own meme coin with his own face on it, but so could my cat, and so could Mr. Peanut, and they do, right? Mr. Peanut does make a coin, right? And it's just simply built on a community, around a narrative, but there's actually no real world value to the coin. So don't think about holding on to any type of meme coin for any extended period of time. You should always stick to something that's going to create generational wealth that has far less risk, and that's Bitcoin.
What are the top 3 dates everyone should be looking for when it comes to XRP?
The first is January 15th. The SEC battle with XRP will most likely be dropped during the most pro-crypto administration.
Wow, because that actually did happen. We can look back now, and the SEC dropped all lawsuit filings with XRP. What's happening next?
It's going to be January 20th when Donald Trump takes office and sends crypto on an all-time high.
Well, Donald Trump did come in, he did take office. I don't recall it actually making an all-time high when he did come in. I think it actually made an all-time high before he came in at about 108, 109,000 US dollars. But still, we won't get particular on the exact days, but he has made it stay stable. He's made it high. I wouldn't say he's, but I did like, he's called Donald Pump. That's brilliant.
Crypto Nico, what about you?
March 10th, ISO 222 goes live. That is the language that the banks will be speaking from here on out globally. And XRP is the first cryptocurrency to be compatible with ISO 222.
Wow, mark that date. March the 10th, XRP. I'm not invested in XRP, but maybe you should be. Maybe it will pump. Guys, they're talking about the Donald Pump, which has kind of happened. We had an all-time high with Bitcoin certainly recently, but they're also talking about something regarding March the 10th and this ISO. It could be positive. It could be good news for the XRP. And I hate to say this because I'm probably going to get an absolute caning from people who are XRP holders, but I have heard some negative things about XRP. But think about this. Bitcoin is decentralized. XRP is centralized, and they create their own tokens. I'm just going to leave it at that.
Boys, they are literally trying to take down XRP right now, and I think this might be some of the craziest shit I've ever seen. And to keep it PG so everybody understands what's going on, these big media accounts are all of a sudden trash-talking XRP, trying to FUD the shit out of this coin, all over a strategic XRP reserve, which would be massive. One of the biggest things that could ever happen to XRP. Whatever Donald Trump chooses, I promise, that coin is going to double or triple over fucking night, bro. I wanted to come on here and say, whatever you're seeing bad news about XRP is 100% garbage, and none of you should be trusting that shit. Look, be on the IG. We should get some crazy news here soon. I'll be sure to keep you updated.
You really don't know who to believe, but I'm going to give you some advice. I would only believe those who don't have a vested interest or are paid by XRP when delivering the news. You got to be careful because so many people out there who are commentators, who advocate for certain cryptocurrencies are shilling. They're getting paid through the back door to talk positively about a particular crypto. So I wouldn't be surprised if a lot of people who are talking positive news about XRP are actually getting paid, right? I'm only going to trust someone who's not getting paid to talk really either way, positively or negatively about XRP. But I will tell you, XRP is centralized. It's a centralized company with people controlling it at the top, and they have a vested interest in it succeeding. And I've also heard that they're spending millions and millions of dollars to try and shit can the Bitcoin Strategic Reserve. Now, why would they be doing that? Okay, guys, thank you for joining me on this episode of Reactions. If you want to get me to do some reactions on particular topics or videos, leave some comments below and look forward to seeing you in the next episode. Take care. Thanks for tuning in to Crypto Collective. If you've enjoyed this episode, the best way to show your support is to leave a 5-star review on Apple Podcast or Spotify, and make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss an episode. You can also find more of me at I'm Matthew Fraser on all social media platforms.